For a very limited time, join our giveaways and take the chances to win with us, just check the description. Bullish Tezos, XTZ, cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $8.46 and $18.43 by 2030. Market experts accept XTZ could reach $8.46 by 2025. Bearish Tezos market cost expectation for 2022 is $1.50. Tezos, XTZ Introduction. Until this point in time, the worth of the Tezos digital currency token, XTZ, has come around more than 69%. It has diminished by over 84% since the symbolic pinnacle. The drop in XTZ's cost has been welcomed on by the unpredictability and vulnerability that have been made in both the customary securities exchange and the digital money markets because of a few macroeconomic reasons. Worldwide instability has been for the most part impacted by the continuous Russia-Ukraine struggle, record high expansion welcomed on by rising fuel and food costs, and the US Federal Reserve's sooner than anticipated fixing of financial approach to direct the higher shopper costs. What is the drawn-out viewpoint at the cost of the XTZ token? In this piece, we look all the more carefully at the blockchain and cost conjectures for Tezos. What precisely is a Tezos, XTZ token? Tezos is an open-source stage upheld by validators, scholastics, and manufacturers from everywhere the world. It intends to eliminate critical hindrances to the reception of blockchain for resources and applications. The Tezos stage depends on shrewd agreements. The local coin of the Tezos blockchain is called XTZ. It is utilized to interface with decentralized applications, dApps, pay expenses, shield the organization through marking, and give a basic bookkeeping unit. The underlying coin offering, ICO, of Tezos was let in mid-2017. Throughout the span of 2 weeks, nearly $232 million in Bitcoin, BTC, and Ethereum, ETH, were raised, well surpassing the task's $20 million objective. Research engineer Arthur Breitman, who previously worked for Google X and the business Waymo, was the person who initially proposed a Tezos blockchain. In September 2014, Breitman distributed a white paper with additional subtleties and particulars on the Tezos project. He guaranteed that while Tezos offered an on-chain administration approach, Bitcoin's plan was defective and didn't give an exceptionally comprehensive administration process. To keep the organization from forking, this would allow token holders to decide on proposed convention alterations. Tezos, XTZ, Price Prediction 2022. Tezos, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing cryptographic forms of money to rise this year, XTZ. The XTZ cost estimate for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, conceivably coming to $2.82. Likewise with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be continuous, yet no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $2.63 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is plausible soon given expected joint efforts and headways. XTZ is supposed to have a base worth of $2.26. Tezos, XTZ, Price Prediction 2023. In 2023, Tezos XTZ cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the expected declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of XTZ will before long outperform $4.70. Nonetheless, we ought to hold on to check whether the XTZ's general strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, XTZ will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $3.76 and a typical exchanging cost of $4.14. Tezos, XTZ, Price Prediction 2024. Assuming that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $6.58, and XTZ might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. XTZ is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $6.02 and a low of $5.64 in 2024. Tezos, XTZ Price Prediction 2025. In the event that Tezos effectively supports market feeling among digital money devotees, the XTZ coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, XTZ will be green in 2025. The XTZ is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual money will be valued at $8.46, with a base cost of $7.52 and a typical cost of $7.90. Tezos, XTZ Price Prediction 2026. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the XTZ cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $9.78 by 2026, with a base cost of $9.40 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, XTZ has a greatest value worth of $10.34. Tezos, XTZ Price Prediction 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $11.66. In the event that XTZ figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a most extreme cost of $12.22, neglecting to accumulate the help XTZ needs by 2027. Could bring about a low of $11.28. Tezos, XTZ Price Prediction 2028. While XTZ is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry communication, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $13.16 and a yearly cost close above $14.10 in 2028. Tezos, XTZ Price Prediction 2029. By 2029, Tezos will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $15.04 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $15.98, averaging out at $15.42. Tezos, XTZ Price Prediction 2030. The digital currency market is known to be exceptionally unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost gauging is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to conjecture future costs with accuracy, but all expectations ought not be taken as monetary counsel, and you should do your own exploration. In 2030, we are anticipating that digital money should have acquired reception across numerous areas.